Breaking news from Abbotsford, British Columbia, where local authorities have uncovered a bizarre drug trafficking operation involving roosters. According to police reports, the scheme was discovered at approximately 11:30 p.m. last night. During a routine patrol in the Clearbrook Road area, investigators say gang members have been using specially trained roosters to transport small quantities of narcotics throughout residential neighborhoods. The cocks were reportedly fitted with concealed pouches containing fentanyl, crack, and Viagra. Eyewitnesses describe seeing suspicious rooster activity in areas known for drug-related incidents. Animal control officers are arresting, tasing, or just shooting the cocks. Police have arrested 3 individuals in connection with the operation, but believe groups of cock-loving gangsters are involved. The exact scope of the trafficking ring is still under investigation. Residents are urged to report any unusual rooster sightings to local law enforcement immediately. We'll continue to monitor this developing story. Subscribe to my channel for updates. Oh yeah, don't try to handle the cocks. They may have diseases.